Don't copy nobody else's shit. Don't steal nobody else's shit. Have your own work. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bro, back with another video. Today I got 5 graphic design portfolio tips to help you become better graphic designers and to help you get that dream job that you're looking for. So stay tuned and check it out. Peace. Alright, what's up, y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a great new year. Your boy was out here kicking it. I was doing my thing. I was asleep by 9 o'clock, my dog. I'm washed. But I did go get me some pizza after that. I did get up, go get some pizza, and then I came back and went back to sleep. But I hope y'all were safe. I hope y'all had a good time. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel this year, man. Last year we had a great year. This year we're gonna have an amazing year, I promise you. I got so many videos and so much content coming your way. But let's get started. Tip number 1, focus on your dream client or your dream job. Say you want to become a social media graphic designer. Your portfolio should only be about social media design. I don't want to see you building websites on there. I don't want to see you designing logos, flyers, banners, whatever. I don't want to see it. Your dream job don't want to see it. Your dream client don't want to see that.
Get somebody else to do it.
So whatever it is that you're focusing on, whatever your niche is, it needs to be that niche. In the future, they want to branch you out more or something like that, then you can provide them with more of your portfolio. But to get that dream job, to get that dream client, you need to just focus on having that one thing, because when people come to your portfolio or your website or whatever, they want to see themselves in your work. They're interested off rip. First of all, they're looking for someone to help them fix this problem that they might have, and you are in the running. So if you got other design work on there, you might scare them off, you might turn them off, they might get overwhelmed, they might leave, and now you okay. Number 2, do case studies around your portfolio. When you're doing client work, break it down for people who can see your client work. Don't just have the logos on your page. Explain how you got from point A to point Z. A lot of non-designers think that we just pop up in a bubble, we sit there and design, and we just come out, here it is, like an AI image. No, there's a lot of planning, a lot of structure, a process. Make sure you explain your process. It'll help sell them more when they're reading it. I like to look at mine like this. Step 1, the objective. Step 2, the results. Step 3, the services I provided. Step 4, the quote from the client. Step 5, the backstory of the project. Step 6, explain how each case study solves a problem. Step 7, communicate your thought process behind each project. And step 8, I select case studies that are meaningful to me. I only show case studies that are meaningful to me because that helps me explain them more. I try to talk more about them in depth just because as an introvert, it's hard for me to find words at times. I'm not gonna lie to you, I be struggling. Tip number 3, show original work. All right, so back when I was in high school in 2005, there was another artist that I competed with all the time. He had amazing work, he had refined work, super hyper realistic work, amazing. I, on the other hand, I was an illustrator, but my work was cartoonish and realistic, was right in the middle. So I never felt like I competed with anything he did because I just thought his work was just stupidly amazing, right? Everybody else did too. So why? So we ended up having an art show at a college, and it was for a scholarship. And the finalist was me, him, and like 3 other people. We had to go present our work to this school, and we had people walking around. Like, everybody was looking at his work like, oh my God, this is so amazing, blah, 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 right? But then the professionals came in, and they just kept looking at my work, and they were like, oh my God, it's so creative. It's like, how did you do this, you know? And I ended up winning the scholarship. So it was because all of his work was a copy and paste of somebody else's work. Mine was my original creations, my original thoughts, my own storylines, my own people. I was creating my own universe. He was so mad that I won.
I don't like that shit. For sure, bro. I don't like that shit.
Because he realized that he needed to be his own artist. He needed to be his own creative. So when you're creating these portfolios and these designs for your portfolios, try to stray away from redesigning someone else's work. Come up with your own brands. Don't copy nobody else's shit. Don't steal nobody else's shit. Have your own work. Tip number 4, put together a focus group and have them critique your work. All right, so my dog. Sometimes it's hard for us to figure out our 2 to 3 best portfolio pieces. So here's what I recommend. Get some people that you can trust and put these motherfuckers together and have them judge it for you. Get a focus group or even get some strangers and ask them. The reason why is because sometimes you can ask your family member, your mom, your dad, somebody like that, and they'll lie to you. Oh my God, you're doing so amazing, blah, blah, blah. My mom used to gas me, bro. I was terrible. So I know this feeling. I was awful, but she would still gas me and help push me. Then I would have some homeboys and they'd tell me, bro, that's terrible. That's trash. Do better. And I had to figure out which one was telling the truth. Put together a focus group, have them pick out some of your best work, 5 to 6 pieces of your best work, and have that in your portfolio. But also take into account what they're saying. If these people are not qualified to speak, don't ask them to speak. Tip number 5, stay persistent and stay focused. Your dream job, your dream client is on the other side of the work ethic and the work that you're avoiding. You gotta be disciplined, you gotta stay focused, you gotta stay locked in. Just because it didn't work on day 1, day 15, day 30, by day 31, you're gonna hit something. You stay consistent, you stay approaching these jobs, these clients, whatever it is, you stay posting on your social media, you're going to get clients, you're going to win, you're going to find your people, but it's going to take some work from you. Do not give up, stay encouraged, because there's a billion other designers out here, but you gotta break through because your people are depending on you. Your future self is depending on you. How bad do you want this shit? For me, I would do this shit for free because I love to do it. Bro, I went 8 years without getting paid from anybody. I didn't make no money in graphic design for 8 years, but I loved it so much that I kept it. Are you willing to do that? You don't have to, because I'm gonna help guide you so you don't have to do that. If I'd have known all this shit for 8 years, I would have been getting paid from day 1, but I didn't. So I'm here to help you so you can get paid, all right? I love y'all. We locked in all 2024. The road to 10,000 subscribers starts today. And yeah, have a great week. Peace.